30 days from now,
This axolotl will have what it lost back. Not just regrown, but rebuilt to precision. In a Mexican lake, where the water stays warm and food is never scarce, lives an animal with a gift most creatures lost long ago. It hunts small prey, feeling its way through the dark with sensitive skin. When a predator strikes, it takes the limb whole. But for this salamander, losing a limb isn't the end. It's the beginning. Within hours, cells at the wound's edge begin to change what they are. A mass of unspecialized cells forms. We call it the blastema. These cells aren't random. Ones from the back of the stump switch on a protein called hand2. Hand2 sets off a second signal in the healing tissue. This is where the pattern begins. A gentle gradient spreads outward from the stump, strong near the body, faint toward the tip. Cells sense that gradient like a map. As the blastema grows, cells multiply and specialize by position. Bone, muscle, blood vessels, nerves, all falling into exact order. 30 days later, the limb moves as if it had never been gone. The regenerated limb is indistinguishable from the original. Humans carry the same genes, the same proteins, but our fibroblasts respond differently. If we could switch on this ancient program, the implications would be enormous, not just for limbs, but for any tissue that doesn't heal.